Good morning. It is day number 8. Um, um, yeah. Um, I'm gonna have another print going. Actually, the arm just started moving. For this puppy. Um, it's gonna take 13 hours. So, but it's because I needed it in good quality. Because I've been printing like hyper fast quality, which is one of the presets I have. Um, and also turning the 3D printer to 200% because I've never had time to just like let it go this week. So now I have time this weekend, so I'm just gonna let it print all day, and hopefully the quality doesn't mess up and the quality's good. So that's all I need. Um, yeah, and the idea is this block right here is gonna go in this little shaft, I guess. And then there's a motor that goes in here, and this doil goes on top of the motor, and it'll have string around it, and that string will hang off this block, and it will attach to here, and then there's an electromagnet I have glued to the end of the block. So the idea is that um that the motor will just crank the block up and down in here with the electromagnet on the end. Yeah, I still have to figure out all the wires on this, but whatever. I'm not figuring that out on these videos, so that'll be my own personal time. Um, Planned for today, I don't know. I just kind of hit record. I stayed up until like 1 a.m. last night, and then I woke up at 7, so I actually ended up getting a monster, which, you know, probably isn't good, but it sure tastes good. Um, ah, Ended up not getting to leak codes yesterday, getting them to today. Today should be, I guess, a long video. Because there's actually quite a few things I want to do. No, I was gonna say I want to start a project. I'm not starting any project till I'm done finals. That would be stupid. Especially, I think something that is gonna happen today is I think I'm going to do admin of code, and I'm gonna do discrete math studying, and then do leak code. So, because I need to study discrete math, and so I'll just take this time to do it. Um, yeah. So admin of code number 7, one weekend. Study discrete math. Um, so I'll be completely honest. I am months behind in discrete math. Won't lie. So what the idea of today is to go over all the lectures I've missed, all the slides, and just kind of summarize all of them, try to get an understanding of what's going on, and that's just what I'm going to do for today. I think tonight by myself I'll do some more in-depth studying, but today it'd be really nice just to get an idea of the last half of the class, and then I'm going to map out the cumulative semester in every point I want to study, and I'll probably in these deep works plan out what sections I want to go over each day. So, because I have under a week, I have today, tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then most of Thursday. So, um, so yeah, that's that. So I'll have to the discrete math study, review all missed lecture notes, make a plan for the week, and then finally two leak codes. I want to do two, unless I get interrupted and have to go do something and then can't do it later. But yep, that's the plan. Um, Anything else? I don't think so. The only thing is about this. So yesterday, most of what I did after the video. Um, oh, by the way, I said yesterday I was like, oh, um, if like I should probably come back and end up just doing the leak code and attaching it to the end of the recording I did in the morning. I came home. First off, the whole ride home, I drive an hour to campus and back. It just the worst headache of my life. And I'm just dead tired. For some reason, I've been waking up no matter what at like 6 a.m., which I'm fine with. Even today, when I went to bed at 1, I was up at like 6:50. Um, and um, and so I just get really dead tired after like 5 or 4:30, like when the sun starts going down. I'm just dead tired. So I came home and I slept for just 3 hours, and then I woke up and well, I was gonna come home and do it, and then I didn't, and then I probably could have done it after I took my nap, but I didn't. So oh well. Um. Oh yeah, but what I was gonna say is yesterday I was working on the project of the that I'm doing. This one that I'm printing, the automatic chess playing robot. Um, and so on that shaft, I printed with like a high margin of error, so it would like just was kind of like hovering in there, right? And it goes out here. There's a little blah blah blah, and then there's the motor turning it. It would just keep like getting lopsided. Like it would just keep getting like stuck like this, or like it's just bad. So I'm hoping because this time I've kind of made it so like the block is just wow, these drawings are fucking can shift go. Oh, that's nice. Sure, I'll do that. But wow, look at that. But like even less margin of error. Like I'm literally printing this, so hopefully it'll sit in here like this, and hopefully the print quality is high enough that like, you know, this nope. So that it can do that, but we'll see. Hopefully, I'm hoping that is the case with this, and so then it'll just work a lot better. But um, but yeah. Anyways, you probably don't care. Day 7. Uh, uh um. Now I keep forgetting. I would love to, and maybe I'll do this actually in these videos afterwards. Is watch a video on someone who did it better, right? Because ideally, it shouldn't just be I'm using my knowledge that I have to solve these and that's it. Because then what am I learning? I mean, I'm getting better and, you know, the repetition is just refining my skills. But I've only been programming for a couple years, right? I'm a beginner at this. There's so much I need to learn. So it's like I should probably be looking at the people who have decades of experience who do this and have, you know, more refined thought processes. Day 7. Okay, I can try to. I hate doing downloads. This is a custom keybind I made, by the way. But I know I can. I'm pretty sure I can do make directory, so whatever. But actually, let me try that. Do not look at that. Um, actually, I'm gonna check to make sure I didn't just like show anything weird. It's confirmed. I didn't show anything weird. Just a cat gif. Um, okay. I wanted to look at make directory terminal. IBM. Bro, IBM is sick, by the way. Like in my How Computers Work class, they just sound like gods. Like he'll just be like talking about stuff. He's like, everyone did this, but then IBM just like did this fucking crazy thing. Like the other day he was talking about like virtualization uh on like servers, how you would like have a virtualized operating system. I think actually maybe not. But no, it was chip architecture supporting virtualization. And IBM's just the only motherfuckers that do it apparently. What is what is chip? Is it a chip or chip virtualization? IBM. Okay. Originally, a person that allows for more efficient use of physical computer hardware. Virtualization uses software to create an abstracted layer over the hardware, enabling the division of a single computer's hardware components, such as processor memory, into multiple virtual machines. This is what I was seeing in um my slides in that class. Um, but I wanted to look, is IBM the only company? What was that fucking search? Is IBM only for girls? What? Um, oh my God, what was I gonna say? Is IBM the only company that supports virtualization? First company too? I guess not. Maybe I'm thinking of something else he said. Anyways, I'm going way off track here. So create a new directory called test and current to create a new directory. Yeah. How do you make a new file though? How to make a new file in terminal. Is there a way to make a new file on Windows PowerShell? Um, on Windows PowerShell, like how you can do. The most direct way is to use item name command. New file writes data to it. I don't want that. If you want to create a simple empty file, you can do it like this. Echo prints an empty string, redirects the output to a file. Wait. Really? So you're saying I could do um, CD download, CD admin of code, CD day 7, and then I could do echo data.txt. Wow. Echo, what is it greater than? Echo day sub.py. I also want to stop using file tree as much and start using telescope. So day sub.py. Echo is on. What does this mean? I like echo when I make the file inside. It says, is that just a default thing? Do I need to worry about it? Does it change anything? Maybe there's nothing you need to worry about unless it's causing confusion. Not confused here, bucko. Okay. Get out of here. Day 7. Bridge repair. The historians take you to a familiar rope bridge. over a river in the middle of a jungle. Okay, we're just not in the North Pole anymore. The chief isn't on this side of the bridge, though. Maybe he's on the other side? When we go across the bridge, you notice a group of engineers trying to repair it. Apparently, it breaks pretty frequently. You won't be able to cross until it's fixed. You ask how long it'll take. The engineers tell you that it only needs final collaborations, but some young elephants were playing nearby and stole all the operators from their calibration. Wait, okay. Uh-huh. Yeah. They could finish the calibrations if only someone could determine which test values could possibly be produced by placing any combination of operators into their calibration equations. Your puzzle inputs, for example, 190, 1019. Okay, each line represents a single equation. The test value appears before the colon. All right, let me go back. The engineers tell you it only needs final calibrations. Some elephants stole the operators from their calibration equations. Each line represents a single equation. The test value appears before the colon on each line. It is your job to determine whether the remaining numbers can be combined with operators to produce the test value. Okay. Operators are always evaluated left to right, not according to presidents into the jungle. Wait, president's rules. Furthermore, numbers in the equations cannot be rearranged. Glancing into the jungle, you see the elements holding two different types of operators: add and multiply. Only three of the above equations can be made true by inserting operators. Um, Let me guess. I can only use add and multiply on these ones to see if it's valid, and then the next one is going to be like division as well. Uh, Two positions, operators. Of the four possible configurations, two cause the right side to match. Engineers just need the total count. This is the sum. Wait, they just need the sum of the test values from the equations that could be true. So if you can solve the test value with the given numbers in multiple ways, it only matters about one, right? Right? It has two positions. Okay, of the four possible configurations, two cause the right match. Two cause the right side to match the test values. Both equal. Ah, okay. Okay. Determine which equations could possibly be true. What is their total calibration result? Beautiful. Okay, so what I want to do is get out of insert mode and go into here and do day 7 dot text, and I want to copy this, put it in here. Let me check on the 3D print real quick. I'm back and with the hat from the motherfuckers that. Sorry for my language. If anyone from Dell Technologies is watching this, from the company that never gave me the interview. Anyways, I don't have this hat because I really like Dell Technologies. My friend works there and gave me the hat. Okay. Anyways, the print messed up. Okay. It messed up. So I had to restart it. I'll have to check it again in like 20 minutes to see if it messed up again. And then I cranked the knobs to like try to redo the adjustment, and it's probably just now even worse because I was assuming it was too loose on one side, but then I ended up loosening it more, and so now I just eyeball tight. I don't know. It's whatever. Okay. Nope. I want day 7. Okay. Um. So let's think of this. Well, honestly, again, a brute force way to solve this would be kind of what I did yesterday, in the fact of like taking each value and well, each position and just testing something, right? Again, this can get really computationally like bad. Um, so I'm assuming there's something in there that you'd be like, okay, let's try multiplying because eventually, right, these strings are gonna get really long, right? Like a number like this. And so I'd assume there's gonna be you want to do something that it's like, okay, multiply these numbers together, these first two numbers. Um, like what I'm trying to say is like try to project if you need to add or you need to multiply, right? So instead of just fully brute force, just going through and checking every single combination, um, to see if it ever works, you could do something that it's like, um, because like I don't need to check if these 10 numbers. I think it's already fucked up. Let me check. I'm back. I think I think I got it working. I had to re-level the bed. Uh, you know, I don't know. Something I wanted to do also. Um, low key want to change this appearance. Call me crazy, but I kind of want it, bruh. Okay, I'm gonna check on that in like I don't know 5 minutes. So, what was where were we? Oh yeah. So, what's an efficient way to do this? Because obviously, bro, if you just look up, if I just like look up, if there are 10 numbers in a sequence, how many variations can there be of multiplying and adding them? Like changing the sign between values. I'm pretty sure it's in the millions, if not fucking billions. Wait, what? No way it's only 512. I guess two combinations. Okay, in that case, then maybe I do just brute force it. I don't think we ever go more than like 10 values, right? Yeah. So, I mean, I can just brute force this. But I'm guessing on part two, it's going to be um, adding, another one. And so then it's like this said, if you were to add these two, now we're at a quarter of a million combinations for one line. So not ideal. So it'd be nice to get like something efficient right now, right? But I was thinking, like, so my approach I was talking about was it was like, okay, first add up everything. If it's less than the target that we're looking for, then you multiply the first one and add everything, and you multiply the second one until you go above or at, right? And you take away, like the last multiplication you changed, and you try. I don't know, because this is where it gets weird. It's like, what do you multiply the next one then, and then you check, or the next one, and if none of that, then you start backtracking. There has to be a more efficient way to do that. Um, as for this, uh, Advent of Code Day 7, part number 1. With open file, read as file, not file, data.text. I want I don't know. How do I want to store this? I want it to just be like a dictionary would be really nice, right? A key with a bunch of values. At the same time, I can just do an array and say index 0 is the value and everything else is just the preceding numbers. So that could be also just pretty easy. So I could do operation op calibrations calibrate. Um, excuse me. Okay, for each line in the file, I mean just append that. Just calibrations dot append that line. I can't put down the cup. I can't put down the cup. Oh, it adds this. Uh, see, the thing is, I don't think um, I think you always want to do the dot, not dot split. I'm gonna get it today. I'm gonna get it today. Slice, finally. Um, Mine dot splice. Is it splice? Wait, I could be. It was just a 6, right? Strip. Why did I say slice? I think I said. Maybe I didn't. Whatever. Uh, I guess went over the white space. Um, I guess I can do append list, new list, and then for line and calibrations. Append list, not append, line dot strip. There's nothing in here at all. For num in line, append list dot append num dot strip. I don't think you can do a dot strip on this. But you have to do it on this. Again, though, what did I do for this? Day 6 dot y. Nope, not what I wanted. Day 6 dot pi. For step in. That's what we did. It was for line and file, and then for this in line dot strip. That was the one. Appending the number. But the reason I was doing this as well is because I wanted to say if num actually, whoa, what am I doing? Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. This seems to be not that, but it has to be a dot join, right? Join by space, so it's like a can you actually do this? Can you do line dot strip dot split? You kind of can. Why is it only doing the first one though? I mean, I want to append each one of these to an array. Oh, because I want to do that. God damn. And so the only thing I want to do is on the first one. By the way, I just want to check 100% this is. But what did this look like? It was just every single digit. Okay. What would be the most efficient way? Oh, I know, it didn't save this. Would be the most efficient way to get rid of the double dot? What's the easiest way to filter out that colon? The colon from the first number, you can strip out the SDR. Oh, you can just do this. Append num dot r. What is r strip Python? Removes any white space at the end of a string. Removes anything, any trailing characters. Space is default. Okay. So I'm guessing that there's a, is there an S? An S strip? What is just, wait, what? What does this do? Strip any commas, G, R, or T. Interesting. Okay. Anyways, now that we have this, I mean, I can do the brute force way, right? Of you try all addition, and then you try addition, multiplying first ones, multiplying second ones, everything else in addition, and then these two, and then these three, and then blah, 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 and then you go through, and then that's it. And I just do that for every line, right? How would I set that loop up, though? Like a loop where you do add all first, add all with the multiply on each one, add all with multiply on two, add one, blah, 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 blah. Up until it's all multiply. You can also define the return sum, print return sum. Valid tests. For value in valid test value plus equals return sum. Well, obviously, I just want a loop that takes in a number. Let me check on the 3D print. Clear my mind. Alright, I'm back for the 50th fucking time. This printer's probably gonna mess up again. I don't know. Back to this. I was thinking about it while I was waiting for the bed to heat up multiple times. In like, I don't know, bro. I'm actually kind of struggling on how to even do this brute force way of doing this, because it's like, what I'm gonna need to do is somehow create a new list that makes everything adding, right? And then I'm going to have to get the result of that, and then make a new list for everything adding, but the first one's multiplying. And then just keep iteratively making a new list and a new list and a new list and a new list and a new list until every single combination has been evaluated. Because then I need an evaluation thing. I need to go through and I need to go like, oh, I need to go through and I need to take the first number, right? And then I need to check the operator and then take the second number and be like, what does that, you know, become? And then past that, recursively back in, like almost like a fucking a linked list. And I'm just gonna keep concatenating values together and then checking the final result. You know, like you'd think this would actually be quite an easy problem. And maybe it is. Maybe it's gonna be like I'm gonna watch someone else and they did it in 10 lines, but not me. Um, let's start. Let's just start from number one. What do we have to have here? We have to have a way to make the new array, right? I need a way to make this new array. Ugh. So I want to. I don't know. 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 Okay. Four calibrations. Four calibration and calibrations. Okay. I want to say the results is going to be equal to calibration at 0. And the values are going to be equal to calibrations from index 1 onwards. Right? Make sure that that's a thing. Okay. So, oh. Calibration at zeros is just that. I want calibration, like calibration's the whole line, right? So calibration at 0 is the whole line at 0, and then values is just everything on from that. But I want it in the actual. Oh my God, wait. Okay. My God, bro. Today's not my day. Okay. So I then want to pass values into a function, right? I want to define a function that will take in a list of values in the current sum. So like the sum, uh, cur sum values in an operator. So I pass through whatever the current sum is. So at first it'll be 0 in all the values and the operator that I want to use. So it'll be 0 plus the next value if the current sum operator. Here, I'll even do that. I'll put it in there. So it's going to be the current sum and then the operator, and then I could just do next value, right? And so this is going to keep increasing the current sum. The only thing is, how do I keep track of like what operator I want to use? That's the thing that I just don't know. Like, how do I keep track of like, okay, at first I just want the operator to be all addition, and then I want it to be one multiplication, the rest addition. And then I know I either want to return I either want to return, like, okay, if it matches, right? We want a return of true. But I want it to be like, okay, return if current sum equals the result. So what do I want to pass through the result here? Target. I guess I can just keep it consistent. So like what? Return if result is equal to the current sum. So if this, then return true. Otherwise, call calculate again. Wait, how do I do this again? Where it's like if that condition matches, return true. Otherwise, recursively call this until like the end. Yeah, let's do a new. How do I make it so that if result and the sum ever are equal, we return true? Otherwise, recursively call the function, and once we get through the entire and once we don't have a I don't need you. I'm pretty sure it's literally I just do if next value, if there isn't a next value, return false, right? Something like that. I need to use the bathroom. I'll be right back. Um, See, it's something like that, and then I would like just pass through like a result again with the same, not the same, but an updated current sum. I can do this, right? Because Actually, I don't know if I can, because Python loves its indentation. With the current sum, like a new operator in the next value would be like values at that would mean, oh my god, I'm gonna go insane. I can't access values in this scope, right? I don't think so. How would I make this work where I pass through the result, which is the first index of my array, then call the function to recursively calculate all the numbers in all the numbers in values. Recursively calculate all the numbers and values added up. Testing if they equal result. And if not, by the end, just return false. I still have to do the logic of like the operator, but I want to think about that before I just fucking ask ChatGPT, because extract result from first element to the remaining value. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Something you provided in the future. Oh, that's not how you do a ternary in Python? Fuck. Pattern for solve. Can we sum so that looks like this? We have values, target, index, and current sum. Okay, yep. If we reach the end without hitting the target, return false. Okay. Option 1. If all of this wait. If can reach target. Oh. Wait. Wait. What is this syntax? If a recursive call with passing through the same values, the same target, an increased index, and the current sum at the values index, return true. Oh. You just do this. Oh, I see. It'll just hit this value. Then why don't we do a return true here? Why don't we just keep calling this? Why do we do an if state? Wait. Include values at index. Because this is what I'm thinking of. I don't get why you need to return true and make an if statement on option 1. I want to add the next value in values for recursion, then just check base case for if the target equals sum. I'm gonna check the ZMs real quick. Okay. You don't necessarily have to write. The reason people often use return true is to immediately stop searching once a solution is found. But I don't get that. What do you mean? Stop searching. What stop searching would be you call again and current sum equals target and then you stop searching. No? Recursive call comes when the solution returns true. Yeah. I recursive has a function that returns a boolean. False means I didn't. When a recursive call returns, it's a boolean result is passed back to the caller. This caller then checks the boolean result. Okay. Even if initial trigger that returns true, every level of recursion above that point needs to keep returning. I think my print just messed up. I hate this. I hate this 3D printer, man. I'm gonna have to use the one like at the school or something. It just doesn't want to work. Okay, back to this bullshit, bro. In other words, even blah 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 blah. Here's a base that. Okay, when recursion repeats the point, it returns true. The caller of that recursive function receives the true value. Yeah. Since the inner called return true, this condition passes and now the caller returns true. If no solution is found, the base case returns false. Each caller sees false. Okay. Still a little fuzzy, to be honest, but so it's gonna be something like this. And then this will be something like if can reach target passing through our values. Print can some else print can't some. Oh my god. I'm closing this stupid ass. Oh my god. Turn this off. Clips and recording. Get the shit off of my background. Bro. Overlay. Security and privacy. You're telling me in security and privacy, you're not going to turn off background recording. Okay. Cool. Is there a search? Background. Background. Start minimized. Automatically. There we go. Uh-huh. Cancel. I'm pretty sure none of these can sum, right? Yeah. Okay. But if we did index plus one current value times that. Okay. My bad. How though? Oh, because current sum needs to equal 0. I mean 1. Okay. So we have two sides of a coin here. I'm changing this stupid ass. Calc is short for calculate, in case you didn't know that. I'm gonna check that DM. Okay, so how are we gonna do this? How are we going to do this? gonna check on the 3D printing. Sorry, I'm pausing like 50 times this video. I'm just stopping the fucking print. It's I need to download like that G code calibration thing that like does like the circles around it so I can just like make sure it's fine. I don't even know what happened. It's like the exact same print that I've done before, but it just doesn't want to work, I guess. So, oh my God. This isn't deep work, bro, by the way. I have been up and down checking this, checking DMs. This is horrible. This is just horrible. Um, Whatever though. You know what I could do is after the first thing, I pass through a window size. I keep updating a size value of the multiplication. So it's like at first it's one, and then after, so like right now, right, it's going through until we're at the end and then it's done, right? I don't want that. I want it to be, it goes through, and then do I call it again? But with, okay, you see how I'm doing down here? I'm just saying if, and then we call it. What if instead I just did like a four? How many times do we need to go through this? It's however long to the power of Python. So for index and range of the length. Is it to the power of 2? Because I have two things I want to pass through, right? Fuck it, bro. I don't know. Can reach. Okay. Values target index current result equals none. Cool. If current result is none. the current result is equal to the first value. Then I want to return current result equals target. Wait, whoa. Oh, it would return true or false. Yeah, yeah. Recursive step. If calc values target index plus 1 current result plus values index, or if wait, this works. And if I wanted to do, the fuck is happening? Exact same thing, just changing these signs. And you're saying this works. All I have to do is the exact same thing of if calc with values and target. Print. There is a combo. Else. Print. There is not a combo. Target not defined. Passing through results. Oh. There's not a combo, there's not a combo, there's not a combo, there's not a combo. What? Okay, so it works. Why changing the index change this? Index equals 1 if oh, it's because we're setting that to none and then appending that, so we don't have to check that. I see. So how the fuck is this working? So I'm recursively calling with my values, my target, an increased index, and then our current result plus or multiply. How does that work? Each recursive set takes one of your values and expands the tree. Oh my God, wait, is this taking like the next value? Like it's doing everything simultaneously. So it's like taking the first value and then it's like adding and then multiplying the first ones. And then just keeps making like a bigger and bigger tree because then it goes off into two like subsets, right? Where it's like Okay, right here we added, then we multiplied. Here on the next value, we added or multiplied on this value, right? Show me the tree of that example. Okay, so initial call, so current result equals 2 because we just added whatever the first index was. And so then we go on two separate ways. We either add or we multiply the current result by the next value. So in both cases, well, um, in this case, we're gonna get 3. So we add that to the current result, and in the other one, we get 2. Wait, what was this? It was 2, 3. Okay, yeah. We add this, we all multiply this, and these are the results. Then after that, we split again, right? Our current result is now 5, and then we do. But doesn't it? Yeah, it's like, yes, this is what I was looking for. So it starts at 2, and then we have this, and it goes out, and it does that, and then it goes out again, and it does that, and it just keeps going out and out and out, testing. That's so, that is so fucking smart. That is one of the coolest things I've actually seen from recursion, is making a tree out of recursion. I mean, I'm pretty sure usually you make. No, wait. I don't know. This is just sick, actually. This is a sick way of testing every single um not what I had in mind. Oh, wait. One thing I wanted to just make sure is right before I submit this. Uh Down here though, I want to, if there, instead of saying, "Oh, there is a combo," I want to do valid test dot append dot append result. Otherwise, just pass, doesn't matter. Um, so does this work? Nope. What did I fuck up here? Print results. Yeah, that's what I wanted. For value. Valid test dot append. Print value. Return sum plus equals value. Oh my god, bro. 379 this. Okay. Day 7 dot here dot bam dot bam dot bam 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 bam. Okay. Used way too much ChatGPT, but that was sick. I'm still like really, I really think that this is such a sick thing because I never thought of that. I never thought of like using recursion in that way of like to check two different routes, right? Because at what's happening is that you call this call, and then it goes into its own like tree, right? And it's like you now have this new result, and it's going to take this new result and do this. But on the other hand, it's going to calculate this result and go down another side of the tree where it takes the addition and tests it on both. And that way it just does everything. That's sick, bro. Yeah. Yeah. That's sick. I'm gonna check this DM. Actually, I'm gonna move my Discord above so I just don't have to keep pausing. Okay. Alrighty. Part two. The engineers seem concerned. The total calibration result you just gave them is nowhere close to being within safety tolerances. Just then you spot your mistake. Some well-hidden elephants are holding a third type operator. The concatenation operator combines the digits from its left and right inputs into a single number. For example, 12,345 would become 12,345. All operators are still valueless right now, apart from three equations that could be made true using the above plus three more equations that can be. Oof. Wow. Okay, so how could recursion be used here? Because now it's like you can put a concatenation between any two numbers, right? Python concatenate two ints. So I was gonna say current result, the integer value of the current of an str current results concatenated with this str of values at the current index. Return true. Why is that so far over? Right? What would this tree look like now? It would make, so initial value on that would be 2, and then it has whatever it had beforehand, and then it also will have an integer of that and that. So I want to go back here. I should just have a separate thing of Um, um, I can see just I can see if this does anything, but oh, oh, it's three. What? Oh, what about one that can't be made true? Of like 70, of like 7 and 5. Whoa, wait, wait, wait. Adding up all six. All six of what, brother? Oh, wait. Yeah. Just take this. They're just using that example again. Does this actually just work? No fucking shot. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. This is sick. Yeah. That's that's one of the coolest things I've seen. Like the fact I can just add in another recursive call that just says like, okay, what if between every single number we concatenated it, and what if between a concatenated number and a concatenated number we concatenated the numbers, and it just tests every single fucking thing. Yeah, that is also a lot of people must have done this exact same thing. Oh, never mind. I thought these were individual times. It's just all together. But the fact that I did, that's only done in 9 minutes. That's so cool. I do want to see though. I do want to see Advent of Code Day 7. It's-
All right, Advent of Code, day 7. Okay. Ooh, operators, single equation, test value, operators. Where are the operators coming from? Two kinds of operators. Two of the above equations. Oh, you can insert operators however you want. Okay. There are lots of, it's always evaluated left to right, not according to precedence rules. Okay, cool. So in that case, we're gonna do, and then I think we just try all possibilities. Seems like it could be long, but like,
Bro, he needs to just change this to a dark mode IDE. What the fuck? Or increase them.
I want an L, not check. Okay, up to 12. Yeah, we can just brute force, I think. If they introduce a third operator, it's gonna suck at the end. Okay, or if
That's exactly what I said. That was exactly what I said. I said you can brute force this because they're only using two operators, but if they add a third, then it'll get kind of, whatever. Which I wonder, like, how efficient this, like, what is the runtime of this actually? Oh my God. I need to know the fucking time complexity of this. What is the time complexity of this code? It's got to be some of the most horrid shit ever. Oh, I just used 210 requests on that. Oh, O to the 3 power n to 1, drop the constant. Wow. Well,
they make us do precedence, that'll also suck. For op mask in, I'm
hey,
trying to
what the
remember
hell?
like a bit mask here. Okay, and then I think, oh yeah, and then this is easy enough. What we're gonna do, result is going to be,
It is really sad though. Like obviously I'm still like taking my sweet ass time like trying to do these questions by myself, and then when I'm getting like stuck, like I really don't know what to do, I'll ask for like some type of help, or if I literally know that I don't have it in my arsenal to do something, I'll ask for help. But it is kind of sad that like something like Advent of Code, like ChatGPT 01, I guarantee you every single day I could have given it my uh I could have given it the prompt and it would have one shot it because it's a really good model. And so it's kind of sad that it's like um that this is kind of a reality now, is that people can't just abuse it. So
also this should be -1. Um, mask out from the bit mask.
a bit mask. Whoa. Bro, I can't see this guy's fucking code. Rob's in range. Oh, he's doing this in mask. Whoa. I don't know what that is.
Times L of I. just equations that could possibly be true. Let's try that. 3 still seems like too few for this, but let's check it. Okay, not the right answer. So now what am I doing wrong here? Let's try sample. 0. Okay, well, there's, for starters, something wrong. Left to right. I could do something really hacky. 2 positions for operators, 2 cause the right side to match. Oh man, having a bug here is brutal. Oh, what could I be doing?
This is a bug? It's given a value. I don't know if I'd call this
Oh
a
shoot,
bug, more like just a...
that's a bad bug. Okay. Ah, crap, that's the right answer. Oh, terrible bug. Will I still make it in time? 4 seconds left. Okay, well, I at least wasn't locked out. Feels like it's been about 4 seconds. 242. Ooh, that's bad. I mean, obviously not objectively, but concatenation operator combines the digits from left and right inputs into a single number.
I kind of just want to go with this explanation, right?
That'll take a while. Oh, that's rough. I forget if this will work in PyPy. Oh, maybe it does. Oh, there's a number. Rank 239. Okay. Whew. Yeah, PyPy was important there. This is really slow. I really need to get PyPy set up better. I guess I did have it kind of ready, so that was not too bad. Man, I felt like I wasn't that slow on that, and I still got like hundreds on both. What do the times look like, I guess?
Bro,
What do the...
look at that fucking... I mean, I can look at it on my own. $49. Oh, he actually has... What was his Advent code day 7 in Java? Oh, last year. There's no way you can code that out in 49 seconds. That's insane. The top 100 is just all in under 2 minutes. Wow.
That slow on that, and I still got like hundreds on both. What do the times look like, I guess? Okay, wow. That is a lot of very fast times. Let's see. What's the highest of someone that I know is legit? I guess I don't actually recognize any names on here.
See, that's so sad. That's so sad. Like someone like this, you can obviously tell has been doing this for a while and like is a competitive programmer. Because I mean, like he has a config set up for like doing stuff fast and whatnot, and he already has a file like ready to go. And it's like the top 100, he knows no one because they're all just
I've shared some
LLM
of these
cheating.
times. Yeah, like Talkman's definitely legit. So I guess 139. How fast did I do it? I guess I was debugging. 339. Wow, 2 minutes slower. Yeah, I don't know how long I spent debugging it, but I don't think I spent 2 minutes debugging it. So maybe I was just like slow with that. Yeah, maybe doing the itertools product thing earlier would have been faster. I'm not sure. Yeah, I guess I was pretty slow writing the bit mask thing. Like,
What is a bitmask in Python? Get me on 4.0 mini. What is a bit mask in Python? How do you use it? A bit mask is a compact way to store and manipulate multiple Boolean flags or options using the individual bits of an integer. In Python, bit mask option used for tasks such as k. Does this guy have code for? Is this one? Oh, this shit doesn't have to go to 4.0. This screenshot is from someone who did the same problem as today. Advent code day 7. Explain the code and how it is using a bit mask. If you can read that fucking white on yellow. First part uses iter tools to generate all combinations of operators. Add, multiply, concatenate. Okay. For a list of n numbers, there are n-1 gaps. Yep. So it generates all of these. The initial number in the list is taken as a starting value for every operation, the combination. Yep, checking. Okay. Uses bitmass. Oh wait, what was the? For odd in range of 1, the length of 1. Copy equals add result. Interesting. I don't fully understand it, but hey, you know what? Add this to topics to learn. Bit mosque. Okay. Any other videos that look interesting on this? Okay. That's that. Um, let's us go on to some discrete math study. Does that sound exciting, guys? Let me hide my screen for a second while I log in. Okay, I was already logged in on browser. Could I? You know, it'd be kind of sick for note taking is if I did like a what do I have? I have like a CD desktop, right? Nope. Whoa. I don't have a desktop. I have downloads. Oh, I have OneDrive. CD desktop. Actually, you know what? No, everything I have is just defaulted to downloads, so I'll just do downloads. Whatever. I wanted to do um CD into school, make directory, comp sci 240, CD into comp sci 240, and then echo um greater than, right? Was it greater than? I think it was greater than. Notes dot markdown. Is that not what we were just doing? Why is there like, why is it being a little cranky? Oh, and then I can just. Oh, if I neo them from there. Oh my God, I'm such an idiot. Why did I never think of this? Okay. Yeah. I think I'm gonna get rid of the file tree extension. I'll keep it for now, but whatever. And then what I wanted to do was Notion. Mathematics, discrete math. Um, are you not going to do a control A of everything? I actually wonder if I've never seen 4O think this up. That's crazy. I was gonna actually make a um like a little get a knit. Wow. All right, go into my other one. Um, no. I wonder if there's like a neo vim auto convert MD file. Is there a way I can make so in my NeoVim MD files load with also please refer to the attached file. Um, there's a markdown point. Okay, well first let me NeoVim init.lua. Where's my init.lua, bro? I have init.vim. Why do I have an init.vim here? Okay, again, see, like, this is what I don't understand, is that I know for a fact that, like, if I go down here and I go to NeoVim, init.lua, right? Right here. So when I do this, right? Where, where is it? App data, right? Where's app data? Ugh. Nvim. Where's Nvim? One second. I just stopped the recording, so now I'm gonna have to fucking put them together. And the editing software is going to take so long to do that. That's why I just like hitting pause. That is tragic that that just happened. Okay. My parents came in again and I had to talk with them. Ugh. Okay. Fuck you, telescope. Bro, get me out. So Control Q doesn't get me out. Control T doesn't get me out. Escape isn't getting me out. Hello? Did the file freeze? Wow. Okay. Not downloads. Actually, I wonder. No, it wouldn't be. Like, what if I CD'd uh into app data, right? And then I launched NeoVim, and then I did this, and then I did NVim. Roaming. Okay, what about local? Okay, we're at local. But I don't want local, right? It was I wanted no, I wanted local. Local dash neovim. Okay. Neovim. Ah. Init Lua. So weird. So I wonder then, okay, last thing I'm testing. If I did app data, local. No? So weird. Okay, whatever. Oh, I needed that. Girl, yeah, simply one. Okay, set it up in this. Wait, also, can I if I have an existing repo that that I have manually been updating that is a file on my PC, can I init that file on my PC to connect to the repo? Actually, cd local cd nvim cd init dot lua. See, I can't do that. So what? I just do like a git. Oh wait, I can do a git init. And I can do a git add all. In the working copy, git status. Okay. Git commit. Initial commit of neovim config. Right, git remote add origin neovim config. Git push. Wait, no. Git branch. Git push origin main. Failed to push some to. So what does this look like now? What? Okay. So now if I go here, I delete all this. Take this, paste it in. Get status. Get add all. Get status. Get commit with the message of updated config. Git push origin main. I think git pull origin main. Okay. Let me add a comment. Lua config for NeoVim. Right? Get add. Okay, what's happening here? Yes, I do. You kidding me? There we go. My config for NeoVim. Git fetch all git pull origin main. Okay. Avante. Avante. Okay. So now I should be able to open NeoVim. It does that, right? You know what I'm going to do is remove anything and everything having to do with Avante because it's fucking terrible. I hate Avante. Okay, that looks good. Lazy sync. Is that what you said? Clean. Okay. Let's see if. Uh, let's see if actually also quit this. Ah, I'm gonna crash out. Bam. Oh, I want a notes.md. That's what I want. Okay. My bad. Simply wonderful. Um, I have the new Lua file, but there are still stars for folding that are not converting. Ugh, I just asked it, but yeah, glow. Wait, I never told it to remove Avante. Oh. It's giving Avante key bindings, but it actually... Wow. Okay. Listening in much? Neovim. Maybe that isn't good. Maybe I need to reopen it. Oh, I give up. I'll figure this out another time. Like, it even looks better in fucking VS Code than it looks here. Whatever. Notes for 240. It's at only. How do I wait? If I do this, oh, it just lets me do that now. Okay. Well, I'll minimize this then. And go here. Oh, I still have to look at this actually. Hmm. Actually, what I think I'm gonna do, because I've already been going for a while. Oh no, it was 250 this whole time. Okay. Give me lecture notes. Yeah, last one. So, trees recursion, this, that, that. This, I've done. And I think this. So I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sections to go over. Okay. Not only that, this is a cumulative final. So, what I'm going to do is tonight, actually, just on my own, I'm going to review these sections. So let's do this. Let's say going to review sections 29 through 39. 29, 30, 21, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. That'd be 11 sections. Do I actually have... I'll just stick with Notion. I don't know why I'm trying to run away from it so badly. Whoa. Highlighting everything made me like bad. So I have 28. I don't have 29 though, right? Yeah. So yeah, so I need to review 29 through 30, 29 through 39 today. So how do I want to do this? Because then I want to start studying the big topics, or just getting like examples together, and then okay, let's say go through 29 through like 35 today, then finish review for sections 36 through 39 tomorrow, then put together a list of all big topics to practice and review, and also put together all midterms and finals to review my answers versus solutions. Finally, on when do practice midterms, and Thursday do the practice finals. Okay, so today I'm going to do 29 to 35, and tomorrow 36 through 39, and then put together a bunch of stuff that I'm going to practice for Monday and Tuesday and tomorrow. Practice those Monday and Tuesday. I also want to see exam info. I want to see parents came in again. Old exams, spring 2024, final exam. So there's one of these. Predicates, induction, proof by induction, uh, a language problem, true or false. Did I miss something? Oh, these are all constructions of like, okay, that's the stuff I've missed kind of recently. And then induction. No like depth first search or anything. None of that. Wow. What about fall 23? This again, induction. Okay. So it looks like it goes from like these statements, like switching these, I forget what do you call them? These statements. Also I should probably make this bigger so you can see. Oh no. This is induction on a binary tree. And then these, that seems like it's a lot. And then true false. Spring 23, same thing. translating these statements. So it's like translate this to English, translate this to whatever. So it's like for all y such that x blah 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 blah. Proof, proof, induction, that star shit, queen star shit, and then that. Okay. So it's looking like it's all kind of the same, right? It's looking like it looks like the final will be on these questions. Now here's something. So statements to English, vice versa. And then actually I'll do this. Induction proofs. And then what and then it was doing like a it was these. Some like I don't even know how you describe this. Like language. Let me actually ask ChatGPT. Um, what would you call these types of discrete math questions? I wonder if there was one here as well. Inductive proof. Propositional logic. Propositional logic. So what? Propositional logic question? It's kind of what it's hinting at. And then there was, whoa, didn't want that. Ugh. Uh, what came after that? It was like the finite state machine. Um, what's the difference between Okay. So they are pretty different. So the other thing would be so that's kind of how it looks. The only thing is I'm pretty sure this is called something else. Translations. I think I want to call these translations. Translations, induction, propositional logic. Finite state machines that I don't think it ever looks like there's a this is by same people. Yep. Um Actually, you know what I can do? Given actually let me O1 it up. Given all the final exams I I will paste below. Give me a solid list of what needs to be studied, big idea, and maybe some smaller ideas under those. That's fall 23, fall 21, spring 22. So this is spring 23. This is the most recent one. Spring 22. Okay, this should be enough. They came in again. Set theory. Yeah, copy that up. Copy that up. For this, I'm not gonna paste it into this. I'm going to just go through and it's like um logic and predicate. Wait. So logic and predicate. And then yeah, I can keep induction. Set theory. Yeah. Regular languages. That's what I was looking for here. Regular languages. I should add search algorithms. Search algorithms and okay. So going here, actually going on here. Once I'm done all this, I want to do final exam study. Okay. I'm actually gonna pause recording and go hang out. I'm gonna watch a football game and make some food, and then I'll be back for a couple leak codes later. So I'll see you in quite literal seconds, and for you. Okay. I'm going to actually end this video because I realized there's some stuff I need to do tonight, like not at my computer. And I'm still watching the end of the Georgia Texas game, so um, I'll make sure I do the leak codes tomorrow. So tomorrow, I want to do the leak codes and do additive code and study discrete math. So I need to review discrete math tonight. Anyways, I'll see you tomorrow. This should have been a longer video, and I'm sorry for all the fucking pauses in this video if you actually watch the video. But yeah, I will see you tomorrow for day 9. Okay, bye.